Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the place or the plot plan and exactly how we go about creating a plot plan. And we will see if we can get enough time in here to also talk a little bit about where we place that plot plan, which is on the cover sheet. That likely will be a separate video. But at this point, you should have a plat, which includes a series of lots that you can in a development, and what a client would do, possibly with your help, is to pick out a lot that is to their liking. So this plat right here is in a development that happens to be in Wahpeton, North Dakota, but wherever your hometown happens to be, this could be in your hometown. What I'll just zoom in a little bit so that you can see with a little bit more detail what we have here. There's a major road that goes through right here. It's a county road in this case, and then a smaller, more quiet uh, uh, road comes through here. It's a cul-de-sac at this end, and then it goes also down in this direction here. The lot that I'm going to be working with is likely, even if you're using this same plat, is likely not the lot that you're going to be doing. But what I'll do is this lot right here, lot number 6, and again, hopefully you have a copy of this in hard copy so that you can write yourself some notes and maybe see the notes that are written that are typed on this with a little more clarity. But we happen to have a river. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. We have a river that goes by this development, and there it's a fairly slight slope, but it's not like a cliff in any stretch of the imagination. But this is definitely higher. And in lot number 6, this happens to be just over 735 feet, almost 736 feet. So it's quite a deep lot in this direction. And there's approximately a 15-foot drop from this location. I'm sorry, it goes actually up from the riverside up to the curbside is approximately 15 feet. So that's just for your information. And this line right here, if you take a look at the side legend right here, this is the approximate high water mark. So and again, I'll go back to our lots here. This is why I am going to draw lot number 6. I'll tell you right now, though, that probably would not be the first lot that I would choose, because most of this area here is in what they would call a floodplain. So this is the area that we would need to build on. In all likelihood, you'll have lot number 7, possibly lot number 8, but I think I'm going to be assigning for in most cases, lot number 7 with a little more space. But again, I'm just going to draw lot number 6. The home that I'm using, at this point in time, you should have your floor plans all laid out. So I'm just going to click over here and show you the structure that I'm going to be using. And it's this structure here. You may also have a copy of this full set of plans. And but we have a front porch. We do have a garage that dumps in from the side, not from the front. And this is, as you can see, out in model space. I'll be drawing a lot out here in model space, and let me see here. I'm going to be drawing a lot out here in model space, and then I'll be taking pieces and parts of this in order to actually place my structure on that lot. So I'm just going to minimize this for a moment and take a look at lot number 6. Lot number 6 from the it is north going straight up, and so this is the southwest corner That southwest corner of lot number 6 going towards the southeast corner is 310 feet, and it's going southeast. And this lot line is 712 feet. This one is 260 feet, and then this lot right here, lot line, is 735.89 feet. Before we begin to work on the lot, what we need to do is to create some settings. As you likely know, we have in our units, I'm just going to type units here. In our units, we are set up right now as architectural units, which makes perfect sense. And our precision, I'm going to actually leave those units. We do have some choices here, by the way, but I'm going to leave those units where they are. And I'm going to, though, change the angle so that it's not decimal units, it's not degrees, minutes, seconds, grads, or rads, but what I'm going to use are surveying units. If you take a look again at lot number 6, for instance, it says that the bottom or the south lot line is 310 feet, and it is in a direction of south 63 degrees, 26 minutes, 6 seconds east. What that means is from the southwest corner, it's going, if you drew a line due south and then went 63 degrees towards the east, that's what the line of that lot line is. That's what how surveyors tell their angles. So we have surveyors units, and as you can see on the by that south 63 degrees, 26 minutes, 6 seconds east, it uses degrees, minutes, and seconds. So as far as the accuracy goes, so I have to set the precision at north, or it says north, 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, so that it understands what we're doing. And then I'll click OK. So once I have that set, now I'm going to go out here in the middle of nowhere and start my lot. I'm going to again start on that southwest corner, the southwest corner, and that is between lots 5 and 6. The southwest corner is the dot is right by the word Edward, and I'm going to just pick a point. I should probably put myself on a proper oh, maybe like object line. Okay, so I'm going to pick a point. So I'll go to the line command and just select a point. And now you can see I'm free floating there. And what I need to do is, this is a relative angle. So I would type at 310.00 feet at an angle of, so that's kind of a less than sign. And now I have to type S for south, 63, D is for degrees, 26 feet is for minutes, and 0.6 looks like inches is for seconds. So that reads at 310.00 feet at an angle of south 63 degrees, 26 minutes, 6 seconds, and then I have to make sure to type that E for east, and then hit enter, and it shoots off the paper. I'm just going to actually zoom out here and show you what I have. So I have a lot line that looks like it's in the same angle as the lot line on the printed page. I'll zip back here just in case you don't have the printed page. I'll go out here. So that is the lot line that we just drew from this location right here down here. So 310 feet at an angle of south 63 degrees, 26 minutes, 6 seconds east. Went from this location to this location. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the drawing. So, okay, I'm going to show you something. Okay, well maybe it'll be easier to show you on another lot line. Okay, so I'm going to go to the line command and snap myself to that line. So now I'll say at 735.89. Don't forget to type the feet at an angle of north 41 degrees 18 minutes 27 seconds, and then again don't forget the east, E for east, and hit return. Okay, I could continue on here, but I'm gonna again zoom all. So I have that lot line right now. Again, we have our street back here, the river's back here. So now I have that lot line. Okay, I'm going to go to this. I'm trying to show you an example of how there's a confusing thing that can happen, and I want to push myself into having this problem happen so that we can see what the solution is. Okay, so from the southeast corner, it goes up like this, and it'll be at 712.70 feet at an angle of north 37 degrees 38 minutes 44 seconds east. And now we have this lot line. Okay, now I'm going to attach myself to this, and you can see that it's going to go really close to right here. That's what we fully expect it to. Do not O-snap. I'm going to take all those tracking and okay. Do not O-snap to this location right here, because what if we made a mistake on one of the lot lines? We wouldn't know it. So you can take a look. I'm going to go back to the other drawing here for a moment. Back here is where we are. I've snapped to this location right here. And you're going, well, okay, I can see that it's 260 feet, 0.00 feet, but where's the angle? There's no angle here. Well, this is on a lot or a line that actually extends all the way through here. So it is south 60 degrees, 44 minutes, 7 seconds east. That's for this entire line right here. So I'm going to go back to my oops, I think it's this one right here. Back to this one, and I'm going to type in at 260.00 feet. I wouldn't have to put that, but 0.00 feet at an angle of south 60 degrees 44 minutes 07 seconds east. Looks like we have a problem here. It went in this direction, and we wanted it to go in this direction. That's not that big of a deal. What we needed to do was to start at this point right here. So the solution is either to erase this and start from this point, or just move it. I'm gonna put my O snap on again. Okay, so now I've moved it, and this corner is obviously good. I'm not going to be too surprised if there's, wow, that's good. I wouldn't have been too surprised just because of a little bit of rounding that didn't end up exactly, if it was a little short or a little long, if it crossed there, but it's perfect. So that's excellent. Um, Okay, so I'm going to pause at this point right here, and so that the file doesn't get too big, but that is the shape of lot number 6 in this development. So I'm going to pause this, and we'll continue on in a separate video.